Hey you guys, and welcome back to another video. So this is going to be a different type of video. As you can see by the title, I wanted to try out this foundation that we have been hearing and seeing a lot about. I think most of you guys, as well as myself, first saw this circulating on Instagram. So I caught wind of this about a couple of months ago. I was just kind of doing my research, checking out some videos on YouTube, just kind of seeing how people were responding to this foundation. Now, you guys, I typically don't wear foundation, but when I do, it's very difficult finding my shade. Especially, I know a lot of you guys suffer from having to mix shades a lot of times because you can't really find the right shade, or sometimes depending on whether it's during the hot months versus the cooler months, our skin complexion tends to change. I know for me during the summertime, my face can get a little darker, but in the wintertime it lightens back up. So for me personally, it's been very hard for me to find a shade that I was comfortable with and didn't have to do a lot of mixing. So when I saw this, of course, it caught my attention. You basically go online, you do the survey. Well, I'm sorry, you don't do a survey. You answer a few questions, them basically trying to get a feel of how your skin is. If you have oily skin, if you have combination skin, do you suffer from acne? Do you have hyperpigmentation in your skin? And it gives you like side by side actual pictures of different females, and you choose which shade kind of resembles yours, and they walk you through many different comparisons, and at the end of all of this they come out with your perfect shade. So I got mine in the mail. Now you guys, when I did my survey, I waited to do mine, and when I did mine, I actually got a free gift. They will let you try out the shade that they picked for you, and you have 14 days to try it out, see how you like it. If you like it, they will charge you the full price. So when they pick out the shade and you choose to go ahead and try it out, they only charge you shipping and handling. So I believe I paid like $5.40 something. And so after the 14-day trial period, if you like the foundation, they will bill you for the actual amount, which is $44, something around there. But if you don't like it, you can return it and you don't have to worry about being charged. So mine came in the mail, and I waited to try this out because I wanted to see on camera with you guys how I liked it. So this is the packaging. It's a really pretty packaging. It looks like that. I'm sorry, you guys, I didn't even mention the name of the company, but it's IL Makiage, New York. I probably jacked that up, but that's what it is. So like I said, the packaging is pretty. So you open it up, and let's see. So that's what it looks like. They really, put a lot of detail in the packaging. That's what's inside. So basically it says how it works. Try the products. These products are yours to try for 14 days starting on the day they were delivered. Number 2, love it or return it. If you love them, keep them. If you shockingly don't, so it seems like they're very confident in the shade they picked. If you don't, visit the website to download your return label and send back any returns within 14 days of delivery. At the end of the trial, you'll only be charged for the products you keep. And it says if you have any questions, you can email them at their email address. So again, that's what's all in there. So you have all the information, and it comes with this insert. Again, it's giving you more directions. So that's what that looks like. So it's giving you all the directions in how to use this foundation. So what's inside is, of course, my foundation. This is what it looks like. The packaging is really pretty. So the shade that they chose for me was 175. And my free gift, they gave me ink liner, which I don't use ink liner, but this is what they gave me as a free gift. Let's open it up and see. So that was a free gift. Let's see if this works. So you guys, my skin is not the best. Close up, I do have some scarring because I had a recent flare up. I never really dealt with acne until I turned 30, 31, which is weird, but they call it adult acne. So my skin just, I mean, I guess it's a hormonal thing when your hormones start changing as you get older. But yeah, I started experiencing acne at that age. I just washed my face. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm very, I was going to say a little, but I got to be honest. I am very skeptical. I really am. Okay, so looks like it's a pump, which is good. I like pumps. Okay. So I have a disposable wedge just because I try to minimize, like I have brushes in there, honestly, y'all, that I really need to wash and soak and scrub and clean. I have not washed my makeup brushes in, I'm not going to say because y'all will come at me, but it's been a minute. But I don't wear makeup that much, so I get some lenience with that, but I do need to clean them. So I'm going to use this. So let's try this out. So let's see. I'm a little nervous, y'all. Put some more. They say you can add, let me see, apply 2 pumps to your entire face, jaw, and neckline. Okay, let's see. No, I'm not really feeling it. Still working. I'm not putting none on my neck, y'all. I don't know, it's starting to do a little something, something. Me wants to grab, I don't know. It's starting to look a little. Now it does say on here, wait 5 minutes for foundation to set before checking the shade. It does say that. See, step or number 3. So that might be why I'm starting to see something here. I mean, I'm not really. Let me put a little bit more over here. I want to give every area of my face a fair chance. So I put it up here so it matches. Well, you guys, I don't know. I'm starting to feel a little different. Now, of course, you know, if I was really, really trying to, you know, really put makeup on, like really, really, like if I'm really going out somewhere, I would do some color correction in some areas. But I mean, just sampling this, I'm actually not mad at it. I actually feel like it's, as it sets, it's definitely looking like my skin. Surprisingly. Do y'all see that? Well, I was almost about to say, no, it's a no, it's a no. But I'm actually digging this. I really am. I would say I pretty much did do 2 pumps. Did I do 2 pumps or did well, I think because I use this, that's why I ended up using 3, 2.5. But I think if I used a brush, I wouldn't have needed, I probably could have got away with 2 pumps if I was using a brush. But you guys, I am actually, so it basically says, I'm gonna read you what this card says. It says over 75% of women get foundation wrong. Get yours right. So number 1, apply 2 pumps to your entire face, jaw, and neckline. I'm not doing my neck. Number 2, blend out with a brush or sponge, but don't do it by hand. Number 3, wait 5 minutes for foundation to set before checking the shade. Number 4, don't match to your neck or wrist. They're a different tone than your face. Ooh. It's like I just caught a glimpse. Okay. Y'all see it? Yeah, this is looking, I like it. Number 5, finish your face with a concealer, a blush, and a bronzer. Number 6, wear for a full week to determine if it's perfect for you. I don't have to wait a full week, y'all. I'm seeing it. Like, y'all, I almost want to just do a full face to get the full effect, but I'm not. But y'all, do y'all see? Y'all see it? Oh my God. Like, I was very, very skeptical, but this works. This is shade 175. For them to give you a 14-day trial to see if you like it, to me, that shows how much confidence they have behind this foundation. And if you don't like it, which they said confidently, you know, it would be surprisingly if you didn't, but they even will allow you to return it, you know, no strings attached. But I am impressed. Like, I'm sure if I did my neck, it would just be flawless. But I even feel like with some of the imperfections that I have on my face from the acne flare-ups I've had recently, I feel like it did a good job in hiding a lot of that without me even having to do a color correction. So, and I love that just because I don't like wearing a lot of makeup. So if I was to go out, or if I really wanted to do like a full face makeup, like, to me, I feel like just using this foundation gives me like a natural type look where I wouldn't even really just have to do a whole lot either. Like, I mean, of course, you know, if you want to do a full face, this is perfect. But if you just want to do like a simple, basic type of look where you just look more refreshed, but it's just a natural look, I mean, this foundation to me is bomb. So I would definitely give it a shot. Like, I'm a very skeptical person. I mean, I'm just being honest. So if I'm shocked and I am thoroughly impressed by how it worked for me, I'm pretty sure if you do, you know, answer the questions, do the, you know, do the whole, I keep wanting to say survey. It's not a survey, but it's basically like they walk you through different questions to kind of figure out what would be the best shade. You guys do it. I mean, if you are looking for, you know, a shade that really complements your skin complexion, I believe that will work. So this is my honest review, you guys. I tried this for the first time with you guys, so I'm being completely honest with you all. I love it. So I hope you enjoyed this review. I'll see you guys later. Bye.